Hi all, welcome to my channel ShareBees. Today we are going to learn how to use an app called Screener which will help investors to filter stocks based on specific criteria. First of all, we need to download the Screener app from Play Store. So I have logged into my Play Store and I'll search for the Screener app. So this is the app that you can see on my screen, Screener. So you need to install this app so that we can proceed further. So I have already installed my app, so I'll open the Screener app. So this is how the Screener app looks like. And first of all, you need to log into the Screener app using your Gmail ID. This is needed because in order to use the customized screens in the Screener app, you will need to be logged into the Screener. I have already logged into the Screener. So next I'll go to the screens section where we can filter out our stocks based on the requirement or our filters. So as you can see at the top, there is a screens button here. You need to click the screens button and it will take you to the stock screen section. Now, under the stock screen section, there are many themes available for us. These are customized and already available strategies which you can use for filtering out stocks. So here, as I can see, there are here popular themes, popular formulas, price or volumes, quarterly results, valuation screens, popular stock screens, and many more. So I can show you how to use this already available themes. For example, I can check the FII buying one. So here you can see FII buying one. I'll click FII buying screen and you can see it gives out the list of stocks where the FIIs are increasing their stakes. So here you can see Bosch is number one, JSW Infrastructure and many more. Now how it is filtered out here is through the market cap. So here you can see market cap indicator is there or the filter is there. Now if you click the market cap, it lists out the stocks that has the highest market cap at first and rest of the stocks below as the market cap reduces. So Bosch has the highest market cap. Now how can we confirm that these stocks are the stocks where FIIs are increasing their stakes? Okay, so for that you just need to click the stocks. For example, I'm clicking the Bosch stock here and it opens the another screen which gives out the information about the company. Now to check whether the FIIs are really increasing their stakes, you need to scroll down to the bottom, and as you go down you can see a section called shareholding pattern. Okay, now here as our filter suggests, it the FIIs are buying the stakes. So are they really buying the stakes? We can see that. As we can see here, we can see based on quarter the different or the shareholding pattern in this. So here we are checking for FIIs. So FIIs had a stake of 3.73 percentage in December, and it kept increasing as it went to the future quarters. So for June it had 3.88, and now in June 2024 it has 5.96. That means from June 23 3.88, on an year basis it increased to 5.96. And as we can see in the previous quarter, that is March quarter, it had a FII holding of 4.10 and now it increased to 5.96. This clearly indicates that FIIs are buying and the screen that we used, that is FII buying screen, is working as expected. And this way we are able to fetch the stocks or easily fetch the stocks where FIIs are increasing their stakes. Now, these are customly or already available screens. Now, suppose you want to create a screen what we say, a screener or screen of your own. How do we do that? Now, for that, you need to click this create new screen button here in the stock screen section. For this, as I had told earlier, you have to be logged into the Screener app or Screener website using your Gmail ID. Okay, now here we have reached a place where they're asking us to enter a query. Don't be worried. This is a really simple query that we need to enter. So this depends on user or what kind of stocks that we are actually trying to find. So for example, we'll write a query for market capitalization. Okay, I'll enter market capitalization and I want market capitalization of the stock to be greater than 1,000. So one thing to note is the number that we enter, as you can see here, the value is always in crores. So it will fetch the stocks with market capitalization greater than 1000 crores. Now I'll run this query. Now as you can see, there are 1478 results found. That means there are 1478 stocks that has market cap greater than 1000 crores. Now to find the stocks which has the highest market cap, just click the market cap filter and it will fetch the highest market cap stock, that is Reliance Industry. So that is correct. Now we got the first filter out, that is market cap, and we got 1478 stocks. Now next we can enter further more queries to filter our stocks to a certain limit so that we get the best result out of them. Now this depends on what kind of stocks we need to find. Now to enter another query, we just need to put a space and enter and. So once you enter and, it takes you to the next line straight away so that we can enter a next query after the and. Now what is this and? This is used so that multiple queries can be combined. So market cap 1000 and another query can be entered along with that. So now we'll enter RSI. RSI to be less than 60. Okay. So what is this RSI? This is relative strength index. So this is a technical indicator where it shows whether a stock is highly bought or not. So RSI less than 60 is generally considered not in overbought zone. This is just to remind you, this is a daily indicator and it shows indicator based on the daily strength, not on the monthly or weekly strength. So now we have indicated RSI 60, less than 60, and I'll run this query. Now as we can see, the results are furthermore reduced. It is 1006 stocks now. And we can see Reliance is still there. That means Reliance has a market cap greater than 1000 crore and RSI is less than 60 as well. Now we'll add a few more indicators. For example, I want to fetch uh, stocks that has market cap 1000, RSI less than 60, Piotrowski score greater than 3, and I want an indicator like MACD indicator on a daily basis to be on uptrend. Okay, so I'll enter all these queries here. First, I'll enter Piotrowski score to be greater than 3. And MACD indicator queries. So MACD signal to be less than MACD and MACD signal previous day greater than MACD previous day. So I'll use these many queries, okay, and then we'll see how does the list looks like. Now I'll run this query, and now we see we have our result is reduced to just 47 stocks, okay, and we have Adani Power to be the top stock in this list with the most market cap. So now so this MACD indicates that the stock is actually good to be bought now for gain in short term, that is mainly for swing trading. Okay, so now I'll check for this Adani Power in what we say in a chart basis. Okay, Adani Power, I'll open it in an app called TradingView. So this TradingView helps us to analyze the charts. So we need to install this app from Play Store. Now I'll explore it and I'll search for Adani Power chart. Yeah, we have Adani Power already open here. Now we have included two technical indicators, MACD and RSI. So I'll add those signals in this chart. MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, and RSI, relative strength index. Okay, so our chart is ready. Now here we have found the stock Adani Power on a day, as we can see here, it's a daily time frame one, and we can see that we got the stock right at the MACD crossover. So this, as you can see here, as I'm indicating here, this is the crossover where the blue line crosses the red line, and from here it is expected that the stocks should rise from the day from on daily basis. And also we can see that the RSI indicator here is less than 60. That means it's not in overbought zone, and it's good to be bought at this zone. I can show you from previous instances. I'll just reduce this chart. Yeah. Now, as you can see, for example, here in this case, this is the crossover section from previous data that is on April. And as you can see from here, the stock was trading at around 500, 550 zone. And once it crossed that MACD crossover line shown the uptrend, it went up till close to 666. So we got a swing trade there. And also back then the RSI was somewhere around 57, and as it went up to 80. So this point was a good buy zone for swing trading. So this is how we find stocks using Screener app based on different queries that we give and get the results, and we can easily find the stocks and get our swing trading or long-term investment, any sort of that we can do based on this thing. So I hope you liked my video. Please follow and subscribe for more contents like this. Thank you so much.